In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a live stream event to your website using the Wix Editor. If you're looking to engage your audience with a live event, this guide will walk you through the steps to seamlessly integrate your live stream onto your Wix site. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the Wix website editor. Once you're logged into your Wix account, you'll be taken to the editor where you can make all sorts of adjustments and additions to your website. If you're not yet familiar with Wix, it provides a user-friendly interface, making it quite accessible even for beginners. Now that you're in the editor, look for the option labeled Add Elements. This feature allows you to customize your site with different components, ranging from text and media to interactive elements. By doing so, you're getting the tools you need to enhance your site with additional features like a live stream. Next, click on Embed Code. This option is particularly useful when you want to integrate third-party applications or media into your website. Wix allows you to use HTML to add custom content, which is exactly what we need to include a live stream. Then select Embed HTML. This is a specific type of code that lets you incorporate multimedia elements, including video content from external platforms. If HTML embedding is new to you, don't worry. Wix simplifies this process into an easy copy and paste function. The next step is to head over to your chosen livestream platform. This could be YouTube, Vimeo, or any other service you prefer to broadcast your event. Navigate to the livestream you want to include on your website. Not only does this process allow you to broadcast live events, but it also ensures that your visitors can engage with content in real time, directly through your site. Once you've selected your livestream, right-click on it. This action will prompt a menu to appear, and from here, you'll want to select Copy Embed Code. By copying this code, you're essentially taking the instructions needed to display your live stream and getting them ready to paste onto your site. Now go back to the Wix editor. With your embed code copied from your live stream platform, find the section where you can paste your code into the Embed HTML box. By doing this, you're integrating the live stream directly onto your web page. Remember, you can always adjust the placement and size of the embedded video to suit the design and layout of your site. Finally, click on Update. This will ensure that your changes are saved and that the live stream is successfully embedded on your website. It's a good idea to preview your site to check that everything appears as intended before going live. There you have it. By following these steps, you've added a dynamic live stream event to your website using the Wix editor. This feature is a fantastic way to reach and interact with your audience, keeping them engaged and informed. Thanks for watching and happy streaming.